Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your 2-foot tall tabletop EuroFit display. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. So first things first, lay out all the individual components of the display on a clean flat surface and identify the numbers on each of the individual pieces and line up the numbers and start making those push button connections. With the frame put together, it's now time to apply the graphic. Go ahead and unfold the graphic and identify the open end of it. Go ahead and slide it over the frame and pull down to the base of the frame. And just like that, your 2-foot tall tabletop EuroFit display is now ready for use.